Hi, I'm Jay from FFX and I'm here with Chris from Bosch and we're going to discuss the Bosch Drywall Screw Gun. Chris, what can you tell us?
Right, so this is the Bosch GSR18V-45. This is a brushless drywall screw gun, giving you the ability to screw up to a maximum diameter of 6mm.
Brilliant. And what does a 45 mean?
The 45 stands for the maximum RPM. This is a 4,500 RPM screwdriver, which means it's pretty rapid when you're working.
That's fantastic. And how does this compare to the previous model?
We've made some improvements. We've obviously upped the torque, so this is 6 Nm of torque, giving you the ability to drive that 6mm screw. But the main feature that differentiates this from the previous version is the power save function, which means when you switch this on and you lock the machine into the on orientation, it's silent. Wow. The only time that machine is going to make a noise is when you apply pressure to the machine and it starts the mechanism up. So you're getting a lot of that background noise.
Brilliant. There's no continuation of noise, deafening you all the time.
As this is a drywall screw gun, we thoroughly recommend, and really this in its final form, so to speak, is when you're running the GMA55. This gives you the ability, A, to run the collated screws, so you don't have to keep applying screws onto the machine to do it. It's all here, you just apply pressure, it feeds another screw in, giving you 25 to a maximum 55mm screws.
Fantastic. That's an efficient screw gun, Chris. Thanks for explaining that for us, and you can get yours over at ffx.co.uk.